Hey guys, welcome all. This is part 3 video of Hugsy doll crochet. In this video we are going to see the nose part and how to make the hat for Hugsy doll. First I am going to make a simple knot to form a magic circle. I am making a simple knot and I am inserting my crochet needle inside that knot. I am going to start make a 2 simple chain here. Now I am going to leave the first chain. In the second chain I am going to make 4 simple crochet. This is our first row. Now we have 4 single crochet in row 1. You can see here. For row 2 I am going to do the same 4 single crochet by making 1 single crochet in each first row. At the end of row 2 we are going to have the same 4 single crochet. Now next for row 3 I am going to make 1 single crochet in the very first ring, making 1 single crochet here, and in the second ring I am going to do 2 single crochet in the same ring. Likewise I am going to repeat for this row 3. At the end of row 3 we will have 6 single crochet. For next row 4, I am going to do 1 single crochet in each ring. So we will get the same 6 single crochet what we got in the previous row. We have 6 single crochet at the end of row 4. For row 5 I am going to do 1 single crochet in the very first ring and again 1 more single crochet in the next ring. For the third ring I am going to do 2 single crochet in the same chain. Going to do the same for the rest of the row. At the end we will have 8 single crochet in the row 5. Now you can see here we got a beak like structure. Now I am going to stuff cotton inside this. Now the nose part is completed. I have stuffed the cotton inside. You can see here a beak is done. Next we are going to see how to make hat for Hugsy doll. For this I am taking red woolen thread and I am making a simple knot first. Then I am putting my crochet needle inside this knot and I am going to make 2 simple chains. Then I am going to leave the first chain and I am going to make 4 single crochet in the second ring. This is our row 1. Completed row 1. Now we have 4 chain at the end of row 1. Next I am going to make row 2. For row 2 also I am going to make 4 single crochet by doing 1 single crochet in each ring. Completed row 2. At the end of row 2 also we will have 4 single crochet. Next I am going to do row 3. For row 3 I am going to do 2 single crochet in each ring. So we will get 8 single crochet at the end of row 3. completed row 3, we have 8 stitches at the end of this row. Next for row 4, I am going to follow pattern of making one single crochet in very first stitch, making one single crochet in the first one, and in second chain I am going to make 2 single crochet in the same ring. I am going to follow the same pattern for rest of row 4. So at the end of the row 4 we will get 12 stitches. You can see here we have 12 stitches at the end of row 4. For row 5 I am going to follow the pattern by making one single crochet in each ring. So at the end of row 5 also we will get 12 single crochet. Now completed row 5, we have 12 stitches in here also. Next I am going to start row 6. For row 6 I am doing one single crochet in one, in second also one single crochet, and in third ring I am going to make 2 single crochet in same ring. I am going to follow the same pattern for rest of the row 6. So at the end of row 6 we will get 16 single crochet. Next for row 7 I am going to do one single stitch in each ring. So we will get the same 16 ring in row 7 also. Next I am going to start make row 8. For row 8 I am going to do one single crochet in first 3 rings. In each ring one single crochet, and then in the fourth ring I am going to do 2 single crochet in the same ring. I am going to follow the same pattern for row 8 till end. We will get 20 stitches at the end of row 8. Next for row 9 to 15 I am going to follow the pattern shown here. After row 15 we will get our hat like this. Next I am going to do the end part by adding white woolen thread and black woolen thread. First I am going to add the white thread. First I am going to pulling a thread out and I am going to start making single crochet. I am going to do 3 single crochet with white thread. Now I am going to cut the white thread and I am going to join black thread, and again I am going to do 3 single crochet with black thread. Now I am adding black thread. I am pulling the thread inside this previous ring like this, and I am going to tighten the white thread, and I am going to hold both these thread and I am going to start making single crochet. I am going to make 3 single crochet in black thread also. After doing 3 single crochet using black thread, again I am going to add white thread and make 3 single crochet, and then again black and then again white. I am going to follow same for next 2 rows. So at the end we will have our hat like this. You can see here I have completed 2 rows by changing the colors. Next I am going to make a small ball for top of the hat. For that I am taking white woolen thread and I am making circle around my 2 fingers like this. and then I am going to cut the end. After that I am going to take a small thread and I am going to make a knot in between my two fingers like this. I'm going to put the thread around my finger and make a knot. Just first I am making a light knot, and then I am going to pull the thread outside my two fingers, and then I am going to tighten the knot. Making the knot tighter so the threads will not come out. After this I am going to cut the sides to make the ball. After cutting the threads will be uneven, so I am just trimming the sides. Now our ball is ready. I am going to attach it to the top of the hat. Now I am going to join all the part we made. I am going to stitch everything together. For written pattern, see the description of each video. After completing the stitching, mostly our Uxie doll is ready. Next I am going to make the overcoat for Uxie doll.